Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a chart in Google Sheets. So before you have to put your data here, and you are just going to insert chart and select chart type. So for example, I'm going to select pie chart and select data range. I'm going to select the B2 until C7 and just click OK. So you can change for the label. So I'm going to select the B2 until B7 to set the value, to set the label, and then for the value I'm going to select C2 until C7. Alright, we go. And you can also add the um yeah, sorry, right. Yeah, you can adjust for the option like as you like. Alright, yeah. So basically, well, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.